Now, sanding is the one job that all woodworkers hate. It's loud and it's messy and it takes forever. But what if I told you this setup right here, the new DEXOS vacuum and the new DEROS II sander kit, isn't just a sander. It's an health insurance policy for your lungs, and it's a time machine for your workflow. Today, we're going to find out if this kit, which costs around about £1,200 to £1,500, is actually worth it, or is it finishing overkill? Let's talk about the art of the system, the DEXOS 1217M. Now this is Mirka's flagship M-class extractor. Now most extractors use a brushed motor. This uses an high efficiency brushless motor. Why does that matter? It means it's quieter, it's going to last longer, and it's smart. The control panel looks like something out of a Tesla, with its backlit buttons for things like suction power, hose size, and even Bluetooth. Now this button here, that's the AFC, or auto filter cleaning button. What that does, you hear that bang? That is basically the machine cleaning itself, so you never ever lose any suction, even when you're working with really fine dust particles. Now this machine comes with dual sockets, so you've got a socket here, which is a spare. You've also got a socket inside the machine where the sander plugs in. Now this socket can be used for any other sort of power tool, which then you can then detach the hose and connect it to your other power tool. Now this handy thing on the hose is a vibration sensor, and basically you can turn this on to auto. Even if you're using another power tool with this extractor, it picks up vibration from that power tool and automatically turns on the extraction unit. From here as well, you can just switch the machine on remotely. Now I did mention this extractor comes with Bluetooth, and you might think, why do you need Bluetooth? Well, there is an app you download from Mirka, which is amazing. It actually tells you how much vibration the sander's generating and how much vibration you've been exposed to, which is really important. Now that might sound a bit of a gimmick, but when you've sanded for 4 hours with a cheap sander and you can't feel your fingers, you'll realise it is very clever. Now let's take a look at this. This is the DEROS II palm sander. This one comes with a 5mm oscillation and a 2.5mm oscillation. What that means is the greater the number, the bigger the oscillation. In layman's terms, that's basically the scratch pattern that your disc will make on your workpiece. Now this sander comes with rubber coated buttons. You've got one for on, and then you've got a power button here which you can turn down or up. Then you've also got this paddle here which has got a variable speed on it. And I've got to say, this sander is lovely and light. You don't feel like you're holding an heavy power tool. So if you're sanding up on a wall or on the side of a workpiece for a long period of time, your arm's not going to ache. Now when the extractor's turned on, it's on auto mode. So as soon as you press this paddle, the extractor will automatically turn itself on. The sander's got a 6-inch or 150mm pad. It also comes with a 125mm pad. Now when you first use the sander, it's important to make sure you put an interface pad on, which basically stops the Velcro on the head wearing out. Now this is the disc that Mirka recommend. These are called Abranet. They also do Autonet, which is aimed at the motor industry, but the woodworking one is this one, the Abranet. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but basically it is like a net. And what happens is, it doesn't have holes in this. All the dust is drawn through the net and extracted away by the DEXOS extractor. Now I can just demonstrate that with this torch. You can see there, basically there's holes all the way through this net. So you see you don't need holes in the net, which means you get more sanding area and absolutely no dust. Now look, I absolutely love this sander kit. It's definitely the best sander an extractor you can buy, but then it is expensive. The paddle takes a bit of getting used to, and this extractor can be a little bit heavy if you're carrying it about on site. If you're a hobbyist just doing a bit of woodwork at the weekends, then by all means stick to a cheap £50–60 sander. But if you're in the workshop every day, the DEXOS extractor, when paired with the DEROS II sander, is the gold standard of sanders. Now, I've put links in the description below where you can purchase one of these Mirka kits, or you can just read a little bit more about them. And if you found this video useful and good to watch, then please do hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you lot on the next one.